came back into the game, and this is already what's happening.
Touch anybody. I've got a little girl I'm trying to coffee and look for anything useful. You could be in here a while.
I'm starting to think this drugstore is the permanent solution.
You're right. This ain't exactly Fort Knox.
What do you suggest? We need as much gas as possible so we can all get out of downtown Macon. Fast.
Agreed.
I'll head out and get gas. There's a motel not too far from me, out towards the end of Peachtree. I'll work my way towards it, then loop back, siphoning what I can.
You know your way around? Local.
Born and raised.
If you're gonna do that, here's a walkie-talkie to get in a tight spot.
Cool.
I'm the time's got the other one. Check in with her and get back here as soon as you can. And you? What's your name?
It's Lily. My dad's there.
Keep a good eye on him. These boys will work on getting you your medicine. That's right. And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly. You'll shift in with Doug when he needs it. For now, get some rest. You're a good shot. I'd like to keep it that way.
You got it, boss.
Now get him those pills. How's it doing?
I'm not sure I got your name.
It's Lee.
Lily. My dad's Larry. I was just doing what I had to earlier.
Everyone was.
Now his heart's acting up again and I'm powerless to do anything. That violence before with my dad, it didn't help.
What's wrong with him?
He's got a heart condition. He takes nitroglycerin tablets pretty regularly. I've seen a few bad attacks that he couldn't get over and needed to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's not really an option right now.
I'm just
Alright
trying to
guys,
keep him
see you
alive.
in the next awesome
He's
video.
got a temper.
Ah, fuck you.